In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form on Google Sites. We'll start by creating a form using Google Forms, customize it, and then integrate it seamlessly into your Google site. Let's dive in. First, head over to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in Google Forms. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll want to create a new form. Look for the bright colourful plus sign that says blank beneath it. Clicking here will start you on a fresh canvas for your form creation. With your blank form ready, it's time to personalise it. At the top of the form, there's a text box where you can type "Contact us" to serve as the form's title. This will let visitors know that it's designed for them to get in touch. Now scroll down slightly and you'll find another text box ready for more input. Here, you might simply label it "Message." This section will allow your contacts to leave detailed notes or inquiries. Next up, change the question type from multiple choice to paragraph. Multiple choice options are great for surveys or polls, but in this case, a paragraph style gives your visitors the space to express themselves clearly. To do this, click on the current setting, which by default might show multiple choice, and select paragraph. This simple change enhances the form's usability significantly. Once you are happy with how your form looks, it's time to make it live. Look for the send button, typically displayed as a paper plane icon in the upper right. Clicking this will give you the option to publish your form. Make sure you've reviewed everything for any typos or errors before this step, because hitting publish will allow others to access your form. With your form published, it's time to incorporate it into your Google site. Head over to your Google site dashboard and you'll need to access the Pages section. Click on Pages from your menu, which will display your existing site structure. Now locate the plus icon, usually near the bottom, to add a new page to your site. This will house the contact form you just created. After you've created a page specifically for your form, locate the Insert button on the menu. From this section, you'll find an option explicitly for forms. Click this, and you'll see a list of your available forms. Simply select the form you titled "Contact Us" earlier. It should be near the top if it is the most recent. Once selected, you can click Insert to place the form onto your page. Your Google site now features a fully integrated contact form, making it easy for visitors to reach out. This setup not only enhances engagement but also connects you directly with your audience. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more customizations to make your site truly stand out.